Aprilia officially unveiled the all-new entry-level super sport, the RS457. Powered by a new liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine making around 46.9 horsepower, with a dry weight of 159 kilograms. The new engine is matched by a rigorous chassis which include an aluminum frame, as well as a load-bearing crankcase, similar to the one found in the RS660. The ergonomics are characterized by the half handlebars mounted above the steering plate, for the best compromise between sportiness and riding comfort. Suspension duties are performed by a 41mm front fork and a rear monoshock, with both suspension components offering preload adjustability. The electronics package of the RS457 is fully ride-by-wire and includes a 3-level traction control, plus off, and 3 ride modes as standard. Other features include a full LED headlamp with integrated front turn signals, a 5-inch full-color TFT display, backlit handlebar controls, and an optional quick shifter. For braking, a set of Biber brakes, front and rear, with a 320mm single brake disc up front and a 220mm disc in the back with dual-channel ABS. This bike rolls on a pair of 17-inch alloy wheels, which mounts 110 by 70 tires at the front and 150 by 60 at the rear. The bike has a curb weight of 175 kilograms.